Hi guys, welcome back to Maikao's recipe. In this video, I'll be making my seafood stir fry. If you like bold Asian flavors, then this recipe is perfect for you. It's sweet, salty with hints of ginger and garlic flavors. If you decided to give it a try, let me know how you like it down below. Now let's get on with the ingredients. For the seafood today, I will be using shrimp, mussels, clams, and Dungeness crab. 2 to 3 small shallots minced, 3 green onions, make sure to separate the green from the white, 5 garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of ginger. To make the sauce, you will need 2 tablespoons of crab paste, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of agave nectar or honey, 1 tablespoon of water, and a half a teaspoon of chili oil. Now mix all the ingredients and set it aside. Turn your heat on high, and in the pan you will need some oil. Let the oil get hot before you throw in your garlic, the white ends of the green onions, ginger, and shallots. Stir fry that for about 30 seconds to a minute or until it turns a golden brown color. When the herbs have turned golden brown, throw in your sauce and stir fry that for about 30 seconds to a minute or until the sauce becomes bubbly. For this step, I am using the crab butter from the carapace and I will be adding it into my sauce. To locate the crab butter, you will need to separate the carapace, which is the hard shell, from the claws, and inside the hard shell, you will locate the crab butter. Most of the people don't like to add this into the sauce or let alone eat it, but for me, I like it because I feel like it adds more of a crabby flavor, and I like that, so I will be adding that into my sauce today. But if you don't like that, you can totally just skip this step. Let the crab butter simmer in the sauce for about a minute. After the sauce has been simmering for 1 minute, throw in your clams and mussels. Cover the pan and let it cook for about a minute. After 1 minute, throw in your Dungeness crab, stir fry and mix well, and cover and let it simmer for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, uncover the pan and throw the shrimp in. Let the shrimp and the rest of the seafood cook for about 5 to 6 minutes covered, making sure you come back, checking on the seafood and stirring it occasionally to prevent anything from burning. For the last 30 seconds of the cooking process, throw in your green onions, the green parts, and stir fry that for 30 seconds. A great way to eat this dish is to eat it with sticky rice. Dip the sticky rice into the sauce and you get to enjoy all the sweet, salty, and spicy juices from the seafood. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Maikao's recipe today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do decide to give my seafood stir fry a try, let me know how you like it down below. As always, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.